Why does this airline only fly its aircraft at night? Let me explain. This is SF Airlines, China's largest cargo airline, and the majority of its flights take off around the world only at night. But why would an airline choose to operate mostly in darkness? Well, night flying helps them stay efficient. Daytime flight slots at busy airports are more expensive and congested, but night slots are cheaper and far less crowded. This means fewer delays, quicker departures, and faster turnaround times. It also reduces fuel burn, saving the airline millions across their 80 aircraft fleet. Most of their aircraft, like the Boeing 737 and 767, are converted from passenger planes into freighters, making them cheaper to operate but requiring smart scheduling. Flying at night also allows the airline to maximize aircraft usage, keeping planes in the air when passengers aren't flying. However, flying at night isn't as easy as it sounds. Pilots face lower visibility, stricter fatigue rules, and colder air, which can impact aircraft performance. Cargo loading and logistics must also work overnight to meet tight delivery windows.